What's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to show you primary auxiliary views from orthographic views. So this is the main picture and this is from front side and the right side. So from this one I have to derive the primary auxiliary view. So in order to do that, let's see what I can do. Here we go. So I am going to copy the front view and right side view first, so then only we can derive the primary auxiliary view. Let's see. So the front view is like this. So this is my front view, and now I have to draw the right side view. Okay, so this is my right side view, and we have a hidden line right here and hidden line right here, and there's a straight line right here. So this is going to be my little picture, and this is little bit, this inclined line is little bit different from like this, little bit more. And oh wait, it's starting from here. So it's like a little bit less inclined than this from here, right? So this is my picture, and we have to make sure this hidden line is actually not the hidden line. It's okay from okay. So the picture we have to draw is this one. This is the picture we have to draw. We have to transfer from here to here, right? Actually starting from this, so we have to draw a line according to the inclined surface, because auxiliary view is most it's focused on the inclined surface. So this is like from the front view, this surface looks like this, and from the right side it looks like this. So that's why we have to consider only the inclined line, and we have to transfer like this. We shouldn't take this bottom part, because what does that mean is this bottom part is showing this one. This is not an inclined surface, so we shouldn't draw that one. That's why we have to draw before we draw this picture, we have to draw a direct line toward this inclined surface and match with the right side view and see exactly it's matching. So if you see, it's starting from here. So that's the first thing we have to figure it out. And in this, it's a little bit not matching, but it should be here. So first of all, before we draw this picture, we have to draw a phantom line. It's going to be 1 2 dot dot 1 2 dot dot 1, like this. And then what we have to do is we have to measure the distance. So this is the picture we are going to draw. We have to, so let's label it. Before we label, let's say this is 0 0.6, 0 0.9. This is going to be same thing. This is going to be 0. Let's say 5. This is 0 0.6. This is, let's say, 2. So this is the only thing we have to consider. Now what I have to do is I have to draw a vertical angle 90 degree to this this inclined surface. So let's say this is 90 degree to this surface, and what I have to do is I have to draw another phantom line right here, vertical parallel to the inclined surface and 90 degree to the line we have drawn. So it's going to be like this. So now what I have to do is I have to measure this distance. So we have measured this distance from this phantom line. So what I have to do is I have to transfer the same distance from this phantom line to here. So it's 0.6 here. Let's say this is 0.6, and this part. This part is going to be like this. So we have to make sure the changing surface, we have to draw a line for that. So this is 0.9, right? 0.9, and this is 0.5, this is 0.6, and this is 2, and the bottom part is 2. Bottom part is 2. So this is going to be exactly the same thing. Now what I have to do is I have to connect these dots. So it's going to be like this. If this is 0.9, this is 0.9, 0.5, like this, and it's going to be like this, and at the end is 2 meters straight line like this and like this. So this is my transferred part, and it's actually 2 centimeters. It's a bit longer, and it should be exactly like longer distance. So this is my approximate picture for that. So this will be, if you draw this picture according to the real grid line, it's going to be a little bit longer than this. So that's how we transfer, and now we are not done yet. Now we have to label everything. So it's going to, first we have to put number for everything. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 numbers are here, right? So I have to put exactly same number for this one. mm, the 1 and 7 in the same thing. So 1 and 7 is here, and if you see for this one, 2 and 3 is here, and 4 and 5 is here, 4 and 5 is here. Let's say this is 8, actually 8, so 4 and 5 is here, this is 8, and this is 7 6, so 6 and 7 are here. So this is the numbers for this. Now I have to transfer exactly same thing here. So it's going to be, this is going to be 1, this is going to be 2 3 4 5 1 2, okay, 1, wait a minute, 1 2 2 3 are here, okay, 4 and 5 are here, 6 4 and 5 are here, and 6 and 7, okay, 1 and 2, the 1 is here, 8 is here, 2 and 3, how come it's 2 and 3? Oh. So that's why we have to be careful. So this is not like this, right? So this picture, so we first measure this distance is 0 point, what I got here, 0.5, this is actually 0.7 or something, okay, 0.7, and connect this one like this. So when you try to match up with the number, you will get if you made any mistake. So it's going to be 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So these are my 8 numbers. Now I have to label this phantom line. This is going to be front front view, this is going to be profile view, and in this one it's going to be my front view, and this is going to be 1, right? So this is how I name this one, and this is my H view. This inclined part is H view, and this is going to be my true side. So I have to label all these things. After that I'm done. That's all I have to name. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. See you next time.